In the heart of the ancient Maya rainforest, the cacao tree grows wild, its precious pods hidden among dense leaves. The cacao pods ripen slowly, turning from green to vibrant yellow and red. Each pod holds the seeds of the sacred drink. Using simple, primitive tools, Maya farmers carefully harvest the ripe cacao pods by hand, treating them as sacred gifts from the gods. Using stone blades, they crack open the thick shells to reveal the soft, white pulp that surrounds the cacao beans. Inside each pod lie dozens of moist cacao beans, coated in a sweet, tangy pulp that ferments naturally in the tropical heat. The beans are placed in woven baskets and covered with banana leaves, left to ferment for days under the village sun. After fermentation, the beans are carefully spread on woven mats to dry under the intense tropical sun, absorbing the earth's energy. The dried beans are roasted over an open fire in clay pots, releasing deep, bitter aromas that signal the birth of chocolate. After roasting, the brittle shells are removed by hand. Women gently winnow the beans, letting the wind carry away the husks. Using a stone metate, Maya women grind the roasted beans into a thick, dark paste, the essence of ancient chocolate. The resulting paste is rich and bitter, the foundation of the sacred Maya beverage cherished for centuries. To awaken the senses, ground chili peppers are mixed into the cacao paste, adding heat and depth. Cinnamon and native spices are blended into the mixture, enriching the flavor with earthy warmth. Water is carefully poured into the cacao paste, turning it into a thick, rich beverage enjoyed by the Maya. The beverage is stirred vigorously by hand, creating a thick foam considered sacred by the Maya. To preserve the secret foam, the beverage is poured from a height between vessels, enhancing its texture and flavor. The village elder takes the first sip, savoring the complex blend of bitterness, spice, and earthiness. The community gathers, sharing the sacred chocolate in a ceremonial celebration of life and tradition. Intricately designed vessels, adorned with geometric patterns, hold the precious chocolate during rituals. Chocolate played a vital role in Maya religious ceremonies, symbolizing fertility and divine power. Chocolate was often exchanged as a precious gift among Maya nobility and leaders, symbolizing respect and alliance. The Maya also used chocolate in traditional medicine, believing it could heal fatigue, fever, and even help with digestion. To the Maya, chocolate was more than food. It symbolized the cycle of life and death, offered in both weddings and funerals. Elders taught the young the sacred art of chocolate, how to roast, grind, and prepare it with reverence and tradition. To the Maya, chocolate was more than food, it was sacred. Offered in temples, it honored gods and bridged the earthly with the divine.